Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can create Gmail account without any phone number. So now it's very easy. You can create Gmail account without phone number. First up, just open up Google, and then we're just going to press add for this video, and then we're just going to press on sign in. Right over here, what you need to do is just simply press on create account, and then just name your account. I'm just going to type in this random name over here, and then you need to type in the month. Okay, just put in anything random or whatever you'd like to put, and then press next. Right over here you can use your email, so I'm just gonna use a random email like this. Now right over here you need to put in password, and I'm just gonna put in something like this. Okay, now after that you'll see this QR code option. So you just gotta scan the QR code with your phone camera, and scanning the QR code won't associate your device with phone number or with the new Google account. So you don't need any phone number, you just need to scan and it will just verify and you're good to go. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.